morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Today, we are going to be starting our choice experiment project. Also, there are no star slides. So for the rest of this trimester, which is through next week, there will be no star slides. So go ahead, do agenda, attendance question, instruction video, all that stuff. And then for today, there's a video on the scientific method. And then flip through the explanation for today. It goes over the different parts of the scientific method. This is also what we are doing for this rest of the trimester. So today you're doing checkpoint 1, everything on the first page. Tomorrow you'll be doing the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and then sharing next Thursday. So put these in order based on your wonderful whatchamacallit up there. And then, so again, your schedule. So today we're going to do all the things in red. Tomorrow, all the things in orange, yellow, green, blue, and then sharing. So for your experiment, you can choose one of these 3 options, or you can do a choice of an experiment of your choice. It has to relate to physical or chemical changes. So it can't be anything physics-based or biology-based. It has to be chemistry-based. So again, I've given you 3 options that you can work on, or you can do your own. If you want to do your own choice, it has to be approved by me. Has to. So please do not start it until you've approved it by me, because you might not be able to do it. So please don't start unless you already have. And then for today's assignment, this is what you'll be working on for the rest of the trimester. So you can see there is stuff in red for checkpoint 1, stuff in orange for checkpoint 2, stuff in yellow for checkpoint 3, stuff in green for checkpoint 4, and then stuff in blue for checkpoint 5. And then this is what we're going to be working on for the rest of the trimester. So this red part is what you're going to be doing today. You should have done by the end of today. And so we're going to go over that in class. This is definitely a time where please be in class. If you're someone who doesn't normally go to class, please go to class. It's going to make life so much easier for you. For accountability buddies, if you do not show up to live class, I will be your accountability buddy, so you can put Ms. Coleman. Otherwise, they're going to be set up in class. Once you pick the experiment you're doing, so say you pick, say you pick what container makes snow melt the fastest, that would be your problem statement. So in here, what container makes snow melt the fastest? That is your problem statement. Your hypothesis, what do you think the answer to the question above is and why? So I think, and then for this, you'll probably have to know what containers you're using. So are you using a mug? Are you using a thermos? Are you using a plastic cup, a glass, your hands? What are you using as your container? So I think snow will melt the fastest in blank because blank. So answer the question. The independent variable and the dependent variable. So independent and dependent variable. Independent variable, which one are you controlling? Which one are you manipulating? So that's the thing that you're changing. So in this case, it might be you're changing the container. And then the dependent variable is probably going to be something like time. Time is the thing you can't control, so how quickly it melts. Constants, these are things that are going to stay the same, so like you'll probably use the same amount of snow each time, because obviously if you have this much snow versus this much snow, this much is going to melt fastest because there is not as much. And then materials that you need for your experiment. And then check in with your accountability buddies before moving on to the procedure. And so you'll do that tomorrow in class. That'll be the thing you do. And so that's what you are doing today. All right, that's that. To join the live class. If you if you are in the live class and you have your own accountability buddies, you don't have to do this. All right, and then there are no star slides, so just check off the things that you had to do and call it good. If you have any questions, please send me a message and please come to live class. Bye.